In this video, we are going to be discussing 5 of the best laptops you could possibly get in 2023. Now, this cuts across both for professionals, students, and just casual users. These different laptops are of different price ranges, so you just pick out the one that is best suited for your need and for your budget. So without wasting any of your time, let's just get straight into it. Hi, my name is Destiny, and if you're new here, welcome. But if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for staying to the channel. Here we discuss about things tech and technology, smartphone reviews, and whatever we like going around the tech space. Thank you for joining today. We hope you do stay, so do subscribe as we go straight into the first laptop we'll be talking about. So for our very first laptop on the list is the Apple MacBook Air. That's the M2. This laptop is a fan favorite, and for good reasons, some of which is because it is lightweight, powerful, and versatile. So the M2 chip ensures that the laptop is incredibly fast and efficient, and the battery life is also very impressive, lasting for up to 18 hours. The MacBook Air is perfect for students and professionals who are always on the go. The base model, which includes 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, goes for about $1,999. Now, I would recommend you actually go with the model that has the 502GB storage, as it will give you more space and flexibility to keep using it for much longer, but this costs about $1,399 or so. Alright, next up we have the MacBook Pro M2. Now this is where the big boys come to play. So it comes in the 14 or the 16 inch. These laptops are a must for anyone who needs that power machine. The 14-inch model is perfect for those who want a smaller laptop without compromising on performance, while the 16-inch model is great for content creators and professionals who need a larger screen. Both models feature the new M2 chip, making them incredibly fast and efficient, but it's a bit pricey and it goes for about $2,599. This is very expensive. But then again, I would also like to suggest the 14 and the 16-inch MacBook M1, which is a little bit cheaper and also has a very high performance, and you can get that for about $1999, and these are for the base model. Coming in at number 3, we have the HP Specter X360 14. Now, come on, Windows guys, you didn't think I'll leave you out of this. This laptop is sleek and stylish, perfect for anyone who wants a laptop that looks good and it also performs very well. The 14-inch is touch enabled, making it great for anyone who needs to draw or take notes. So the Spectre X360 14 also has a long battery life and a great performance, making it perfect for both work and play. Overall, I think this is the best Windows laptop you can currently buy, and if you think I'm wrong, let me know in the comment section. And while you're doing that, don't forget to like and subscribe this video and share with your friends, as it will help the channel. The price for this laptop is going for about $1,250,000. We're getting close to the end, so stay with me guys, stay with me. We're almost there to the fourth laptop. Now the fourth laptop is another Windows laptop, and this time it is the Dell XPS 13. For me, this is a personal favorite and is the fourth on this list because it is perfect for anyone who wants a powerful machine that is also lightweight. Like when I mean lightweight, it is actually lightweight. The XPS 13 has a 13.4-inch screen and features the latest 11th gen Intel Core processors, making it incredibly fast and efficient. But you need to know that the battery life is also impressive, lasting up to 12 hours. But there is a fancier Dell, which is the Dell XPS 13 Plus, that you can also get in case you're unable to get the 13. Now, some of the differences between the Dell XPS 13 and the Dell XPS 13 Plus includes like the OLED display, the borderless haptic touchpad, and the LED touch function key. The prices are for $799 for the normal one and $1149 for the Plus version. Last but not least, we have the Asus Zenbook Pro Duo 14. This laptop is perfect for content creators and professionals who need a lot of screen and real estate. Now, the Zenbook Pro 14 has a 14-inch main display and a secondary 12.6-inch touchscreen. That's just above the keyboard. The laptop is so powerful, featuring the latest Intel Core processors and the NVIDIA graphics. This goes around $1,849, and like I said, you can get this on Amazon or any online store, or probably also from their website. Alright, now not all laptops can make it to the list, and like I said, this list are just purely mine. You can put yours in the comment section so we know. But here are some honorable mentions, which includes the Asus Chromebook Flip CX5, the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Nano, and also the Microsoft Surface Laptop 5. That's a 13.5-inch. So here you have it guys, these are 5 amazing laptops with others that you can consider if you're looking for a laptop to get in 2023. We do hope this list helps you find that perfect laptop to help you improve your creativity, and if you're a content creator, to help you start producing content. Please support this channel by leaving a like and a subscribe. We love all the support we've been getting, and we just hope that with this support and subscription, we'll be able to do more of it. See you next time in an amazing video. Bye.